everybody, it's JohnnyFerno and welcome to my next video, where now we will look at RWBY Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. So, I have been a bit slow with the uploads and with videos and RWBY in general, so I'm just trying to like get back into it. And I'm also trying some lights. Just trying to brighten up my face a bit more. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. But you guys tell me in the comments. Okay, I'm trying to keep this right now as it is. So, if you guys like this, if this looks good on the camera, then you are free to say. So anyway guys, if we're all ready to go, like Volume 2 has had a very good start, so I'm only excited to see what else we will see. So if you're ready, my dear friends, let us watch RWBY Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. 3, 2, 1, go!
There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line that will
I still really like this intro.
There's a time and a place, no bridges left to burn anymore. We can't just wait with life to take until they think we're ready. Our enemies are gathering.
I don't really have much to say at this part, just enjoying it. Oh, fine. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. They are annoying and they don't really help. Damn. I'm so excited to see what else we're going to see, like characters, weapons, and skills. It's always so exciting to see what else they can come up with. But let us see what will happen in this. A minor hiccup, I can imagine like someone does something wrong.
So, Weiss, you know, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat? And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale.
Bruce Willis?
And
Nice one.
Maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm you know.
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss?
I've had teachers like that who just tell stories about their life, but I find it endearing and kind of cool.
One day.
Don't worry, blonde boy, you will have your luck. Oh, damn.
I thought that class would never end.
All right, guys, today's the day. The investigation begins!
I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey,
We've got a plan. That's moderately serious.
right.
Uh-huh.
Everyone remember their roles?
You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Son, how did you get up there?
I know, son.
Easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Huh?
Sup?
How did you even get up
How
there?
do...
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
All right, I'll go with Weiss. Son,
really cool,
you can go
keeping
with
is
Vic.
cool.
And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Nah.
But...
She likes Neptune. It's kind of cute.
Forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm I'm rich.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're
That's
here
cool,
is
I
because
like
you
facts
love
like
the
that.
tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah,
Oh dear.
oh. You dropped this.
Oh!
Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go.
What was that about?
I don't know.
Huh.
But I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
Wait!
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny,
Something is off
is
here.
everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Penny, I gotta talk?
It isn't safe to talk here.
Also, I noticed she is serious and not like the bubbly self that she was when we first met her, so... That's interesting. I love Weiss's dress. Skirt? More of a skirt, I think. But also, I always love hearing more facts about this world, like learning about it, so... It's cool that they're doing it. I want to know more.
Welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Preparing to smile? Ah, virtual.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Beep boop beep beep boop beep. Those noises reminded me of Star Wars. But it's it's so easy to make contact like that, huh? Interesting.
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Oh.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm
Oh.
sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Huh. If I remember correctly, she weren't on the best terms with her family. I could, of course, remember totally wrong, but yeah. Hi! Ruby is so adorable. I can't
wish I
help
could
it.
help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men.
Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped?
Oh, no, nothing like that.
Well, then where did you go?
I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but... Oh, you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Believe me, I know the feeling.
Aw.
But why not let us know you were okay?
I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really.
Was your dad that upset?
No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Whoa!
But
Robots!
the kingdom of
Like
Atlas
robot
is
soldiers?
a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
So you just scrap the old ones to get new ones. Okay.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now,
we are going to oppose your asses.
always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Okay.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
Holy crap. That's a big and a half.
Here for you today. But these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby,
That's very cool.
maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Oh dear. Security found her.
Joan, here. She went this way.
Oh. Hey, I'm walking here. I'm walking here. Damn. I'm sure they can get through that pretty easily. Ooh, wall run.
This way!
The Rose Dash. I just named it. I have no idea if it's actually called that, but it's close enough, I guess. Oh, Jace. Oh yeah, I remember now. She is a oh, that's the old guy, but she's a robot of some kind.
Did you see that?
Oh no.
Penny, come back! Call the police?
Oh wow. So she fears that if people found out about her true self, they would push her away or something.
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just
There's
tell
the
me
hiccup.
what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby,
Penny?
I'm not a real girl. Oh.
Robot or android? Or cyborg? So I've been told that these things here at the end of every episode are actually fan arts. If I remember correctly, and if that is true, that's pretty cool. So, okay, this was this was an interesting episode. Salutations! Alright. I think that is it then. Okay. I like this episode. It, again, tried to give us more... It was very quick what Weiss did at the tower, but it still gave us, a small insight into how the world works. After the Great War, all those towers were built up as a way of communicating across the kingdoms. That is pretty cool. Weiss obviously has something with her family that she doesn't want to talk about, doesn't want to admit, or whatever. It's kind of hard for her to work with. And Ruby is just herself, and is very optimistic and bubbly and everything. I am kind of sad we only saw Weiss and Ruby doing things this episode, but I guess we're going to see Blake and Yang in the next episode. But yeah, I enjoyed this a lot. I like how Volume 2 is going so far, so excited to see what comes next. So, as always, my dear friends, thank you all so much for watching. Please tell me in the comments below what you think about my reaction, the episode itself, and the channel in general. Please say it both positive and negative, so I can use it all to grow and evolve into a better entertainer for you guys. But as always, my dear friends, thank you very much for watching. My name is JohnnyFerno, and I'll see you guys next time!